Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. My biggest silver unboxing ever. Let's explore! Indeed, I went back and kind of assessed all of the silver I've bought and unboxed on this channel, and there was one of my largest ever precious metal purchase that included a lot of gold, of course, by dollar amount. Spent a lot more then than here and now. Silver prices have subsided a bit, and I bought on some of the recent dips in the precious metal prices, but it turns out, from my recollection, this is the largest silver unboxing that has ever been done on this channel. And so I'm excited to show you what's in it and how it's kind of really thrown off my goals for the year. But that's okay, because I've been pretty steady in some of the acquisitions that I've been making, trying to stay true to the stacking mantra, so to speak, and kind of adding a little bit, seeing some of the potential for silver to increase in price. I believe it's coming, and so that's one of the reasons why I made these purchases now. These unboxings are inspired by 3 different channels here on YouTube, and I'm going to mention them as I unbox them here. We're going to start with the first. It comes to us from Canada. That's right, from Canada, and this particular organization, as we open this box up here, is an organization you've heard of. It is a mining company, believe it or not. Yes, indeed. As we open this box to see what's inside here. Never bought silver from a mining company before. This is a first, indeed. Pull out the bubble wrap there. I'll pop that later. Pull everything else aside here. I'm sure there's something else in this paperwork that I want to see. There is, certificates of authenticity that were hidden underneath the flap. That's right, First Majestic. They gave some certificates of authenticity for these 10 troy ounce bars. So let's pull these out and take a look at them. Very well packaged. There they are. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Man, I'm going to show them to you up close here. I thought they may come in flips, but they don't. But boy, they're very well made. I believe Scottsdale makes these. These were inspired by Silver Heist. Yes, indeed, Silver Heist featured these on his channel. And they are beautiful 10-ounce silver bars. Very, very nice. Each individually numbered here, as you can see. And let's see if we can get a closer look here. Yep, Scottsdale Mint. There's no surprise there. Well, it looks like an NYSE AG2. I don't know if that's the same on both bars. It's not a serial number. That might be a manufacturing standard. That is, I guess it is. But these are stackable, although they're not necessarily interlocking stackable, but they are very nice bars. Beautifully done. So there those are. We'll set those aside. We'll get into the others. But that was inspired by Silver Heist. And the Silver Heist channel is a great channel. And he had interviewed Keith Neumeyer and showed those bars on his channel. Let's get into the next unboxing here. Very cool. There we go. All right. This is actually, I don't usually recommend this, but I bought these from eBay from a seller who had 100% feedback, as I just saw them there on a whim and I thought I wouldn't be able to get these anymore, but alas, I was able to get them, yes, indeed, an individual seller, believe it or not, that had 100% feedback that sells Son of the Bullion here, and at a fairly decent price too, and thought I was out of luck because I remember when these were available a couple of years ago. But they are the Silver Unity bar. Yes, indeed. And I'm going to pull some of this stuff off to show you this. Here we go. All right. Comes wrapped in plastic, which is good. Brand new in plastic. And this was inspired by Savage Stacker, because he showed these on his 10-ounce silver bar collection, which he has an amazing 10-ounce silver bar collection. The 10-ounce bars are a great size. And so this is something that is really, really cool. And so I ordered these and got 3 of them. Yes, indeed. I'm going to pull the others out here. Individually wrapped. I like how they did that. That's really cool. I'll pull this out. There's the second one. And pull the third one out here. Love the design of these bars. Just very well done. Very well done bars. Here we go. Here's the third bar. Love the detail, the amazing detail. They made silver rounds with these as well, too. I did see one of those on eBay, but boy, was it pricey. And these bars were not too much, a fairly reasonable price over spot considered today's higher premiums, but just very well done. Love the intricate design, the patriotic theme of these. And so I just thought, well, I would love to have one of these bars after seeing Savage's video. Yes, indeed. E pluribus unum. And it is about unity, a concept that we're kind of missing these days. In God We Trust, it says there. As a wonderful rendition of Lady Liberty with a flag. This very easily could be on one of our coins and be a nice patriotic design. And there's sort of a version with the snake around the serpent, around the fascia, which you see on the Winged Liberty dimes. It's also in Congress. So just very, very cool indeed. All right, let's move these aside. We have one more to unpackage here. This one, I think, is not taped over, so we can just rip it from the top here like this. Pull these out. Same seller here. And they're all individually wrapped, which is cool. I'm just going to actually just take one out and show you. But there are 6 of these. And it is the Trump rounds. Yes, indeed. Donald J. Trump, 45th President of the United States of America. Each individual in a flip. And there's 6 of these. And so that's a beautifully done round. Probably one of the best Trump rounds I've seen. It's a hard face to get in silver to show an accurate representation of the president without looking cartoonish or ridiculous. But this captures it perfectly. There was a 2-ounce version of this as well, which I did not get. Would have loved to have gotten a 2-ounce version and a high relief version too. But this is just an amazing round. And this portion of my purchase was inspired by Silver Wolverine. Silver Wolverine is another great channel. And like I am a fan of the president. Indeed. In fact, you know what? This is weird. This is has a rotated die error. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it is even. No, I guess it is even. Okay. So it is a coin flip instead of a metal flip. But just a very well done round there. So there you go. 56 ounces of silver in total. And here's a few of the others. Just so you know, there they are. The plastic baggies. I guess I could take them all out as I show the rest of the silver. We'll lay it all out here so you can see it. And, but yes, indeed, this is my largest silver unboxing ever. And pleased to add it. You know, I thought, you know what, it's been a while since I bought some silver. any appreciable amount, although I did buy some fairly recently. And a little bit of bullion added to the stack. You know, I'm mostly a collector, but I do like to add a little weight from time to time. And this is certainly one of those times. We're adding a little weight, but it's weight that you can enjoy and feel like you are preserving your wealth, especially when you buy when the prices are lower. So, and before premiums go way up too much. There you have it. And 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess there's one more here. Yep, there's one more. That's a total of 56 ounces. As we pull the last one out here. See what we've got here. There it is. 56 ounces of silver. Take a look at it all here. There it is. There's the other ounce, the other 10-ounce bar here. So what are your thoughts? You think it was a smart move, or do you think it was foolish? I know Terry, 79, that's another reason why I bought this silver, just to annoy her, because she hates silver. But nonetheless, most everybody, I think, likes silver. But nonetheless, I have been more focused on gold for the last few years. So I'm kind of surprised myself. But you know what? It is the power of, what some of you guys show in the community. And you have to be very careful when you buy, because you look at something, you think it looks very nice. If you're a collector, just something that likes the beauty of it, that is a powerful influence for sure. So whenever you see something on this channel or any other channel, like I was influenced heavily by Savage Stacker and Silver Heist and Silver Wolverine with these purchases. But in my mind, you have to think through the purchase and understand, hey, I'm spending this money. I very well could lose out in terms of the price. Who knows? The bottom could fall out of silver, and it could drop, a couple of dollars per ounce, and then I've lost some money on it. That very well could happen. You have to be prepared for that. Whenever you make a purchase of silver or anything at all, for any reason, no matter what. And by the way, there was no pressure from any of those individuals. I liked what I saw on their videos. And I made a conscious decision to go ahead and make. No one held a knife to my throat or put a gun to my head to make these purchases. I bought them because they're neat, and seeing them on. That's one of the things about some of these channels is you see something you like on it, and you thought about getting it before, but until you see it in person, it really doesn't really hit home. And that was certainly the case with these 10-ounce Unity bars, and these First Majestic 10-ounce bars, which I think are super cool. I love the thickness of them. In fact, I would have rather these bars have that same level of thickness, but I do like the detail on them. I think it's just fabulous. So there you have it. This is my largest silver unboxing ever, and you've seen it. I hope you enjoyed. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and to encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.